Alright, today I'm gonna install some fog lights for the road trip, because as you know, these old lights, even though these are the upgraded glass ones, they're just not the best, and I don't want to do all the sketch LED and all that stuff. So I got these bars, these LED bars, 2 of these. I honestly, this is the best kit I ever seen lighting wise. Great quality, the price is really fair, and it comes with everything that you need. So it comes with the brackets to hold it up. The screws are already on there, so when you turn it, it's like a thread essentially. It gives you zip ties, extra fuses, brackets with the Allen key, all the bolts that you need. 2 of these. So I just crimped this one. They come like this, stripped for you as well. Button, this connects so you can throw it into the cabin, and the other side connects to this, and the other one connects to this. 2 lights, 2 of these, all different modes. And then over here they have nice these for ground and power. This is where the fuse goes, and a relay, which is a must on a kit like this. Probably the best kit I've ever seen. So the relay is right here. I'm gonna probably mount it like this somewhere here, kind of tucked away, but you still can see the relay because I think it's a nice touch. My wiring, this red one it's using the same bolt as this. The black one, ground, is on that right there. So with that being said, this is done. We can just throw this on top. Boom. That right here is gonna go across, and somehow I have to push this into the firewall and get this out of the firewall from this side. And if you don't watch this channel, I don't have a heater core, and I just did a manual swap. That's why everything's off right now, and I'm doing a gauge. So if I figure out where to feed all these wires, it's gonna be great, but we'll see. I'll figure that out and show you guys what I end up doing. And then in terms of where these mount, I'm gonna drill a hole through here. It comes with all the hardware, and go boom, and then one more here, boom. It's gonna be sick. All right, so we have our things going from back here, all zip tied to this, and then comes from corner here, goes under this thing, and into that little guy right there. And under the glove department, you can see that obviously you're removing this so you have more access to it, unless without that is literally not possible. I also tried to cut some of that grommet so there's not much pressure on it. As you can see, it's like there's a slit cut, so this can go here. Maybe cutting it a little bit more, but this just relieves some pressure on it. But and this just goes to the other side, this little guy. So yeah, turned out pretty good. Just gonna button things up, and I have some other stuff to do here, and after that we're done. So it's on. These are the modes, both of them. Strobe, which I mainly got it for. Orange strobe. Alternating strobe. Just white, orange, white and orange strobe. And then the cool thing is, like, if you put it on this mode, turn it off, turn it back on, it goes on the same mode like you already know. This is how we did it. The good thing about E36 is that this comes off with it, and you have the option of doing that. We put some bolts here. For these, the nut is held by this, so it's super good design. And I can slide them back side to side, and it's just here. All I have to do is zip tie this a little bit up here, and then whenever I want to take my bumper off, probably disconnect this. But honestly, if I'm ever taking the bumper off because I'm doing something, so I always leave it here anyway. So this could just sit here when it's off. Comment down if you know what this is. Right answers only. This is all you get. That's it. Tell me what this is. If you know, you know.
We're going to put this in my shirt. But I think it's very sus. But he says it'll work. We'll see. We'll see. Update you when we get in the car.
Drake. That's my bar.
Shit.
DINAN short shifter. Manual M5? It's not M. This is not M. What is that? This is not M. 550i. So we find the item number of the trans and we put it up here to see what other cars they fit. Well, actually no. The best way to do this is go DINAN 550i 6-speed trans short shifter. So it's at $235. You're never gonna get that money out of it. You're just gonna take it off somehow. That's gonna be a bitch. Spin, bitch. That was a bitch. Also the Honda.
We did it. We did it, boys.
It's a two 6-speed transmissions for N54 and 55 6-speed BMW 6-speeds. I forgot what they call honestly. ZFs. She said 350, I think, but then I asked her again. She said 500. I was like, bro, you're tripping. So I really want to come back here. I mean, if it was back home, I would for sure do it. I don't have much tools and time here. Two 6-speed transmission at a junkyard, no one's taking it. It's wild to me. Pedals, drive shaft, shifters, everything. This is where they get shifter from. This is what I can do for now. I don't have much funds and time to do all that.